Okay, okay.
Nice jacket. I love it. I love it. Tada!
Yung pagkumakas, hi.
Hello. You look pretty.
Thank you so much.
Hello, everyone.
It's just a photo shoot.
Okay. Next. Oh, yes. Sige, sige, sige. Yes, yes, yes. Patrick?
Yes.
Kaya na? Yung 4. Hello.
Hi.
Hello, I'm Trina.
Guys, okay, next one na tayo. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Tabi kayo
Thank you.
First
Careful
four muna
lang.
tayo, Sharon,
Careful.
Okay.
Yung first layout, yung standby ng Apple Box, ha?
Apple box, pa-standby please.
Yeah.
Thank you. Next layout. Oh, sige, let's include the others. Sila? Okay.
Sila, diba?
Okay. Stop.
Yeah. Mas nakakakilig kayo ni Trina. Pero masyado kang halata. Tingin ka na tingin. Patrick, mutik mo ng mategi. Ano? Bahala. Kung makahalata eh, konting bawas naman.
Bahala.
Masyado ka na-proud. Kailangan relax na relax yung mukha mo. Nakikita ko. I know.
Eh, kasama na yun sa layout.
Kasama ba yun?
Okay, Paro.
Meron pa tayong apple box.
Galingan mo galingan mo dyan dahil dami mo. Relax. Relax. Okay, relax your face. Masyadong tense.
Palit kayo. Palit kayo.